Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this video I actually had to record twice. Why? Because this hair, okay, is just so versatile that I had to do two videos. So the original video, which I will put right beside me so you can see what hairstyle I had then, I had done like a middle part, I had done it straight, and then I did it curly. But then I'm like, you know what? Okay, so first of all, let me just get into what this wig is. So shout out to CelieHair for sending me this wig. So this is from CelieHair, okay? And they sent me this wig and everything. And honestly, you guys, so this video is just gonna be, I hope it's not gonna be all over the place, but I just wanna show you guys as many hairstyles as you can do with this. So if you're interested on seeing how to style in different ways your 5x5 wig and how I like the CelieHair, just continue to watch the video. Alright guys, so as usual, you know I always open the package with you guys because I want you guys to see exactly how it looks straight out of the bag. They put in some goodies in there for me, so that's always a bonus, so I'm really happy about that. And then I will also be showing you guys the actual hair inside, and I'm showing you guys this is from CelieHair. And this is the hair, you guys. Already I'm seeing it's nice and soft, it's true to length. And I actually, what I didn't show on camera is I actually measured it, and it is 5x5. So now I am showing you guys what it looks like inside. There's clips inside and everything, and I'm about to put it on so you guys can see how it looks like initially without me doing anything to it. And obviously the color is a no-no of the lace. We have to tint that and customize it in order for it to look nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bronze color, because that's what matches my forehead best, and I'm just gonna put it all over the lace, and this is gonna make it that it matches with my skin tone much better. Now I'm putting back on the wig. It matches a bit better, but again, I'm still gonna have to put a little bit more of that. And now I'm going to customize the frontal. I'm basically putting it on my mannequin head, and I'm putting some heat control on it so that it doesn't damage the hair. I did a middle part with it already, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I customize it. Alright guys, the best thing to do is to use a hot comb, okay? A hot comb will change your life when it comes to making a frontal or a closure nice and laid, okay? And I will be showing you guys the difference between how it looks like just normally and how it looks like with the hot comb. I'm telling you guys, ladies, if you have not purchased a hot comb, do so as soon as possible. And you see, the side that I did the hot comb on is much flatter. But yeah, you just proceed and do that for both sides. But yeah, so then I put it on again just to see how it looks like so far. And you'll see how it looks. And I'm pretty satisfied. I like how nice and flat it looks. So I'm gonna take it off, and I'm going to cut the lace now. Oh, and when you do cut your lace, you want to make sure that you're going in a zigzag motion. You don't want to cut just straight down because then it'll look really bad. And I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks, you guys. It looks really good. I just literally have to keep customizing it. But what I'm gonna do is my wig cap is just kind of in the way and looking super white. Like my scalp is not that white. So I'm just putting that same foundation shade on top of that. Alright guys, so this is going to be my first time using the Got2b glue on camera. So I basically had washed off my forehead with some alcohol, like where I was going to put the glue. But also I know you professional users are probably like, what is she doing with the glue right now? But that's how I had put it then. And I expected it to dry, and obviously I'm getting really tired because it's not drying clear, but that's all my fault. That's because I didn't spread it out properly, but it still did the trick. So I put it on, and I'm just pushing it forward and making sure that there are no flyaways in the way of the glue. So you just want to keep pressing on it. The best thing to do actually is to press on it with a comb, a rat tail comb, but this is just how I'm doing it for now. And now it's time for the baby hairs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some in the front, well, on the sides, and this way, if you do it on the sides, like if you put the baby hair right where the closure ends, then that's what's going to give the illusion of it being a frontal. So you just take a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut that part and just slick it down just like how anyone would for their edges. But right before I cut it, I'm just going to take a melting band and put it over the closure just so that the glue can settle nicely and that it really like melts into your skin. And now I'm gonna take my hot comb again, and because I don't feel like it's flat enough, I'm just gonna go over the top. It may not be as flat as I want it to be, also because of the way that I did braid my hair under. I should have braided it a little bit skinnier for it to, you know, look seamless and nice, but that's okay. It will still look very nice. And I'm also going to style it, so I'm just gonna straighten it, and yeah. Alright guys, I am hoping that it's laid, so I'm taking off the band, and you guys, it looks so good and I am feeling myself. But yeah, I'm really liking the results, you guys. It looks really good. Now I'm going to cut the baby hairs, and I always don't do it too short because if I make a mistake, I want to be able to, you know, fix it up. So I'm just adding some edge control. I usually do it with mousse, but I don't have any more mousse right now, so I'm just using the edge control. And now I'm using the edge brush, like the little comb brush that came in the Celie gift bag. Yeah, it looks cute. But you guys, I'm gonna get brave and I'm going to make some layers because I just feel like it'll give it a little bit more volume and it'll look a little bit nicer. Do not do what I do. I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just cutting as I'm going, like yeah, Don't do what I do. But so far, I'm loving the results. I hope you guys like it too. What do you guys think of this? And of course, you know, I gotta take my selfies. And now what I'm doing is I decided to curl it. So I'm using my straightener actually to curl it, and look how nice it holds a curl. And I'm actually really impressed. Alright guys, so which side do you like better? Do you like it curly or do you like it straight? Let me know. Alright, so this is the final look. Well, this is one of the final looks. Sorry guys, I have a cold. But yeah, so I don't know, do you guys like it better straight or curly? Let me know. I love them both. Yeah, so you guys just finished watching the last video that I had recorded. As you can tell, I think I like this a little bit more because for some reason the side part, maybe it's the way I braided my hair under, but for some reason the side part just lays much more flat. But yeah, I really like it, you guys. Okay, so after I recorded that video with the middle part straight, curly, everything, I'm like, you know what, like this is a 5x5 wig, okay? So let me try my best to make it look like a frontal. So what I did is that I shifted it, and then like, I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of looks, it can pass for a frontal. Like, although over here, like, sorry, like I just have to press on it a little bit more because I didn't have time to really like put the melting band for too long. But as you can see, like it does a pretty good job at looking like a frontal, you guys. Like, it looks really good, and I really like the side part that I did with it. Let me know how you guys like it. Do you like it middle part, side part? Let me know. But yeah, I truly like this red. Again, thank you so much to CelieHair for sponsoring this video. I will put all the information down below, and you guys have a promo code, so make sure you guys use that. And yeah, other than that, I'm not gonna keep you guys for too long, and I will see you guys next time.
Have anyone, and if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time.